Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to hand pollinate the zucchinis. As you can see, there are some zucchini fruits on this plant which are not in good condition. They are dying. This may be because of lack of pollen transfer from the bees. These zucchinis stop growing further, while there are some other zucchinis on these plants which are in very good condition. They are perfectly fine. So to differentiate, these are the two male and female flowers. The left one is female flower because it has fruit under the flower, and the right one is male flower. Inside both of the flowers there are tips. The tip of female flower is called pistil. The honeybees usually transfer the pollen in the morning when the flowers are open, just before the sun rises, because when the sun gonna rise, the flowers are going to close their leaves. So honeybees do this work in the morning just before the sun rises. Take a close look of these female and male zucchini flowers. A proper pollen transfer is very important to have a healthy fruit on a plant. Other plants like rockmelons, watermelons, pumpkin and cucumbers also have the same phenomena to transfer the pollen from male to female flowers. So you can use this technique on all of these plants. Look on all these zucchini plants. They all have so healthy zucchinis on them, except the two which I showed you earlier. So just before starting the hand pollination, we need to check whether all the female and male flower tips are open and we can see the pollen in them on their tips clearly. This one, this is a male one, and this is a female. So I'm just taking a earbud, just made it a little bit wet. So now I need to rub the earbud on the tip of the male flower to collect some pollen. Just like this, I collected some pollen on the earbud tip, and now rubbing the earbud on the tip of female flower. You can use the pollen collected from one male flower to multiple female flowers if there is enough pollen on the tip of male flower. So just drop all the yellow pollen on the female flower tip, and that's all done. Now when the sun rises, the flowers gonna close their leaves, and in 5 to 7 days you will get a healthy fruit on your zucchini plant, just like the other ones. So this is the zucchini fruit after 2 days of hand pollination. This will grow bigger in few more days. Well, hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay connected for more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.